Welcome back to Bear Cave Watch Reviews. I'm your host, Papa Bear. And as you can see, I have two boxes in front of me. I actually had one big box that said Fragile on it. So obviously, these are major awards that I have received in the mail. And my daughter wouldn't let me open them off camera. So here I am with not one, but two boxes to open up. However, I'm not going to open them on camera because there's information on them. I'm going to open them and show you what's inside of them and talk about it. So please hold. All right, so I've got the first box open and I have not moved the styrofoam out, so we're going to watch this together. We have the Diplomat Illumin series, and I believe what this is going to be either a watch winder or a watch box from Watchbox and Winders. I reached out to them and told them I'd like to review some of their products, and they were very, very kind and sent these out. So let's pop this out and see what's in the box. Okay, so what we have here is a programmable watch winder, black aluminum with LED illumination in the box, silent motor LED lighting, LCD display controls, direction control. It's got different adjustments here, adjustable watch holder. It's expandable, powers up to 8 units with only one adapter, so that's pretty cool. And it also can run on batteries. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. This must be how they stack up multiple units, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to open this up and take a look. Okay, so here is what comes with it. It has the watch winder instructions, has a power cord to connect another one to, and a USB power cord, which is pretty cool. And here is the watch winder itself. It is a glossy black. That's where the battery and connections go, and the adjustable. And then you pop open there, and that's where you put your watch, which I'll take a look at in a minute and plug this all up. Okay, so I've gone ahead and plugged it up. And I've gone ahead, I'm just using this Invicta Pro Diver since it's automatic. I've taken out the cushion on here. I'm going to put it back in. You just plug that. Let's make sure that I get this in right. There you go. Close it up. Power. Right there. And I guess, and there it goes. It's winding. It is extremely quiet. I've had other watch winders where you can actually hear it spinning. This is pretty quiet. I'm going to keep quiet for a little bit just to hear. Yeah, it's really quiet. This cable back here is the power cable. I've got it plugged up here on the side. I don't know how the illumination works, but we'll take a look and see. It says place the watch on the holder, put it in the back, plug it up, press the winder on, and if you want to change the turns per day, do it right there. You can control the switch in the back to, one direction away or the other one. If you would like the LED on, press that. So let's see. Cool. I didn't see the lights, but I guess maybe it's just for this instead. So very cool. I'm going to be using this for a while, till I can see how they work and just make sure that they're going to get the Bear Cave seal of approval. But I can tell you right now that they're very quiet, very small. I love the fact that you can stack. So right here you would plug in for another one and you can stack them together, and really like the look. So that is the Diplomat Aluminum series from Watch Winders and Boxes, and I will put a link to all this when I have more information for you. It'll be at the bottom of the video. So very cool. Watch winder winding the watch. Okay, so now on to the next box, which we're going to just pop open here real quick. This looks to be like a much bigger box, so let's take a look and see what's in. All right, so it's out of the box. I'm going to undo this all here on camera for the first time. Let's take a look. Oh, of course, it would be upside down. Let's move this. And wow, this is a really nice looking watch box. Very, very nice. A little dusty, but I'll get that cleaned up. Let's just take a look here real quick. High gloss all the way around, and it's got the faux carbon fiber dial, or not dial, I'm sorry, rounded edge here. So let's just open this bad boy up. And oh, really nice thick pillows. And this box holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 watches. Very, very nice. Velvet lined all the way through. Very nice. Big, thick pillows, and they'll definitely hold big watches. Lined on the top here as well. Very, very, very nice. I will definitely be taking some good pictures of this box because obviously the glare from the lights is just a lot, but very cool box. Really like the look. Hinges, piano hinges on the back. Very quiet. When I opened it up, there was like no sound at all. That's good. So this is a really nice box. We'll definitely be doing something with this very soon.